Welcome. For this project, I'm going to ask you to create a self-portrait, an image that tells the viewer about you, but I don't want there to be any direct pictures of your face or any words. So it's that interesting idea of how do you convey who you are without using a picture of your face. For this project, we're going to use photo grid template. And a template is a design that's been made for you to change. So here I am in Canva. I'm going to click here in the search and I'm going to type photo grid template. And all these designs come up. What these are, even though they look like complete images, they're just basically like picture frames. And then you get to replace the pictures. So let's choose one that is interesting and draws our attention. And so I do want you to have 7 to 8 images. So here's an interesting one. I'm going to click on this. And it's a template and it asks me if I want to customize it. So I'm going to customize this template. So right here in this button, I click that. What's basically happened is it's made a copy for me to change. And a step we're going to do now, you could do also at the end, but right up here, if you look on this bar, right up here is the name of the file. And I'm going to make it my own file. I'm going to put my own name on it. Mr. Doyle Symbolic Self-Portrait. So now here it is. It's my file with these images. And again, it's just like a picture frame. And these are just placeholders. In fact, if I put my mouse here and click and hit delete, I can actually delete the picture. And so again, I'm going to put my mouse here and hit delete. And what you're seeing is that the pictures are just random. They're really empty picture frames. So now, how do you start building your self-portrait? I'm going to go over to this menu here, and it's really quite easy. I'm going to click Elements, and that's where I can find things to put on my image. There's lots of different elements, and we're going to look for pictures. So here I clicked Elements, and this pops over, and now I can search for things. So I love New York City. It's where I went to college. So I'm going to type in New York City, hit enter, and some options come up: cartoon, graphics, photographs, videos. And we're going to look at photos. So there's just a few. I want to see more, so I'm going to click see all, and all these photos come up. And I basically just get to shop for photos. Ooh, I kind of like them all. Um, Maybe I want it to really look like New York. I'm going to grab this one. And all I do is I grab and hold. Look, it's traveling. And I can have it, I hover it here, and it'll fall right into a frame. And it does crop it. Okay, what's another thing that could be in my self-portrait? Um, I wonder if this would be in it. I went to Columbia University. Oh, it is here. Oh, that's pretty cool. So this is where I went to college, and it is special to me, and it really did change my life. So I'm going to put an image of Columbia, and this is a very classic image, and I like the way it sort of has some of the colors of this. So here is my mouse over it. I'm going to click and hold and drag it maybe to the lower right. There we go. And there, that just clicked it. Now, Another thing that's important to me is art. Let's see if artist painting. Oh, nice. I love that. And I love the idea that people can come together and make art. These are really beautiful images. I'm going to go ahead and put that here. Let's see if it clicks in. Oh, it took over. So I'm going to move it out. And now I'm going to see if I can grab it again and bring it into. Oh, a little bit of a struggle there. There we go. Now you can see that in this template, there are some elements that I probably want to get rid of. So what I could do is if I click here, you can see I actually did grab that text. I'm going to delete it. Over here, there's some sort of graphic over it. I'm going to delete that. Delete that. Delete that. So I would continue until I create a collage of images that I think is a self-portrait. Imagine I'm done. I have my name, Mr. Doyle Symbolic Self-Portrait. I'm going to now share it. I'm going to, on that, download it. And the file type's a ping. I'm going to download it. And what you'll notice, it'll download with the name I've given my file. And there's Mr. Doyle's Symbolic Self-Portrait. And that's going in my downloads. I save that. And that's what I'm going to be able to turn in to my Canvas page. And that's how you create a symbolic self-portrait using photo grid templates.